Oh, hi. I'm in the Grand Canyon, also known as nature's fat hole in the ground. I'm currently walking to the Grand Canyon Visitor Center because I want to hop on a bus that will take me to the Grand Canyon Railway's main train station. So the Grand Canyon Railway is a tourist railway. It runs between here in the Grand Canyon and Williams, Arizona. Amtrak used to actually stop at Williams Junction, where the Grand Canyon Railway stops, on their Southwest Chief route. However, they axed that connection in 2016, I think, citing low ridership. However, the Grand Canyon Railway is still very much alive today, and their departure back towards Williams is at 3:30, which is in about an hour and 10 minutes. So right now I'm walking to catch the bus that'll take me to the train station so I can film the train leaving. So the railway operates using EMD F40PH locomotives, much like on Caltrain, till electrification clears, but currently they use EMD F40PH locomotives that are former Amtrak locos, and their cars are a combination of, I believe they have dome cars, and they also have various tourist coaches that were built by Pullman. However, what I'm really looking for is the former Budd RDCs, which operated on Virginia Railway Express and Caltrain back in 2003. We'll admit that I'm a little bit annoyed that the shuttle stop currently is out of service due to COVID, because this would have been a 10-minute walk instead of the 20-minute walk that I'm taking to the visitor center right now. Right now, instead of running their blue route, National Park Service is running an express service from the visitor center to the transfer point with the Hermit Road route. The blue route is normally a local service that stops at all the campgrounds and all the little stops that they have around here at the canyon. So, yeah. Change of plans. Decided that walking would be faster than taking the bus, so I'm walking to the Grand Canyon Railway now. There it is, the Grand Canyon Railway. And right there is a converted RDC. RDC is a type of DMU that was built by Budd a long time ago, and now this is converted for passenger service, so the engine was removed. And it used to run on Caltrain, and now it's here. Come out to the Hermit's Road trailhead, where I'm sitting and waiting for the train now. Well, that's the Grand Canyon Railway. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.